Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox joins public. This is a straightforward process that enhances your social gaming experience. By making your joins public, you allow friends and other players to easily connect with you in-game. This setting is crucial for collaborative play and expanding your in-game interactions. Let's dive into the steps to get this set up quickly and efficiently. To begin, log into your Roblox account and head to your account settings. You'll find this by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner, then selecting Settings. Once there, look for the Privacy tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This dedicated section is where you control various aspects of your interaction and visibility on the platform, including who can join your game sessions. Within the privacy settings, scroll down until you locate the option labeled Who can join me in games. This is the key setting we need to adjust. Click on the drop-down menu associated with this option. You will see several choices, such as Friends or No One. To make your joins public, select Everyone from this list. This ensures maximum visibility for your game sessions. After selecting Everyone, your changes are typically saved automatically by the Roblox system. There is usually no separate Save button to click. With this setting enabled, anyone can now join your game sessions directly, making it much simpler for friends and new acquaintances to connect with you. Enjoy a more open and social Roblox experience, fostering greater interaction and fun across the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.